Guess what? This is time to take back the community. We got Delta Executor on iOS and Android. I'm going to show you guys how to download it, so let's get straight into the guide. So let me just open it up right here just so you guys can see. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let me just join a game just so you guys can see this actually works. So yeah, it's super crazy. So let's just see if this goes through. And as you can see, we got all the settings here, so this actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super amazing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, we got all the settings there. So this is super cool. So if you guys want to get it for your device, keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this is super cool. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So this actually works, guys. So it's pretty cool. So let me just teach you guys how to download it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, bloxzy.com. So once you're on the site, you're going to see a button that says Get Delta. So just go ahead and press that. You can read all about it. But as you can see, we've got all this information, but I don't care about that. I'm just going to press Get Delta. So now it's going to ask for the username. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and press Continue. And now it's just going to search the Roblox database. So I'm going to press Yes. So it says user found. So now we just have to import the Delta Executor. So let me just do that. So it's asking what script do you want. So I'm going to press continue. So anyway, guys, once it loads, it's just going to be like installed. So let's just see if this goes through, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it load up. You can see it says API connecting. So let's just give it a second for this to load. Alright, so as you can see, it's working. So at the end, you can see it says I'm not a robot. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that. We'll see if it goes through. So yeah, let's see if it works. So it worked. So there you go, guys. So that's how I get it for your device. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So I hope you guys found this useful. But that's how to get it for your device. So as you can see, fully working, guys. So this is super amazing. So if this video works to you, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super wild. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later, but try it out, guys. Look at all this options. So this is super cool. So hope you guys found it useful. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, have fun. There's no jailbreak needed or anything like that. So you guys are going to be all good to go. So I'm going to see you later.